In Ayurveda, there are 8 classical factors to consider before preparing and eating food. One of these factors contains the knowledge of how to purify and process food. This is called karana or samskara. Samaskara is where the English word scar comes from. It is a process of purification and transformation that literally removes scars from a food, herb, or any substance in order to make it more compatible and nourishing for the one who ingests it. There are so many methods and procedures to transform foods. These methods can be utilized to alter the food to make it compatible for a certain individual, season, or climate. Furthermore, we can also transform the food to create a specific therapeutic effect, revamping these substances into food as medicine. Furthermore, we can design a specific medicinal action utilizing the vast variety of transformation procedures. This is samskara, the second factor to consider before partaking in food. Some foods have certain purification procedures. For example, eggplant. Soak the eggplant in salt water, even add a bit of turmeric powder, this black gunk will come out. This is the purification method for eggplant. Okra or bindi or lady's finger, you fry in tamarind, then it removes some of that stickiness, that pichila guna, that slimy guna, and lightens that up. So for the kapha people who have that already pichila in them, that sliminess in them, that excess snigdha, then you should use the tamarind. But if you like the slimy quality, if you find it tasty, and it is a very good prebiotic to create that nice breeding ground for the parasite, for the beautiful parasites and for the beautiful bacteria to grow on, then you give the okra with the sliminess. Impregnating certain herbs, you can get simple, get some water, add some tulsi leaves, impregnate the tulsi, the holy basil, into the water. That purifies the water, gives it a nice flavor and therapeutic benefit of tulsi, that great antiviral, antibacterial, strengthens the respiratory system, and again purifies the water. So a fantastic thing to add into the water. The third factor considered before food is samyoga, which means combination. What are the combinations of the food going to be? Is it going to be a compatible combination, or is it going to be an incompatible combination? And we explore this in greater depth when we explore the 10 factors for wholesome nutrition. But we want to make it compatible. We can use herbs to balance each other, certain antidotes to balance certain other foods. Like that, we can create a much more medicinal, nourishing, and wholesome food. Your Agni, your digestive fire, is regulated by the sun. When the sun's the highest, your Agni is the strongest.